Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to fix no connection in Roblox. So first thing that you will do is simply go to your settings, and from here just simply go ahead and go to the connections, and from here just make sure you are connected to an internet by tapping on Wi-Fi, and from here just simply turn off your Wi-Fi and turn it on to restart. So guys, if it still doesn't work, just simply tap on the gear icon on the internet that you're connected and just simply tap on forgot, and after that just simply tap on it again and just simply provide the password and just simply reconnect. But if it still doesn't, just simply tap on the back icon on the top left corner of the screen, and from here just go back again to the settings, and from here just simply scroll down and just simply go to general management and go to the date and time, and make sure your date and time is set to automatic. So make sure to turn this on, guys. So now another option that you have is just simply go to the settings once again, and from here just simply go ahead and scroll down and go to the apps over here, and after that just simply go ahead and try to find a Roblox over here. So I'm gonna use this Monopoly Go as an example. So let's say this is Roblox. So from here, just tap on it, guys. And after that, just simply go to the storage. And from here, just simply tap on clear cache down below and tap on clear data and tap on OK. And from there, when you launch your Roblox, you should be able to fix the issue. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching, guys. See ya.